Alright, hello first graders, we're ready for day 3. So, our vocabulary words we've been talking about is volume. That's the noise level, right? How loud it is. Our senses: hearing, tasting, touching, smelling, and our sight. Alright, distractions. A group of people might be a distraction, right? There's a lot of people talking. Or it could distract you if one person's talking and making a whole bunch of different noises, right? It just depends on how much you can focus and how you can focus. Some people, they can play music and it's not a distraction. Some people that play music, it's a distraction. Hey, nervous. This kid is nervous. He might be nervous. Could he have lost something? Think about if you've lost something, does that make you nervous? Alright, squeaky. Squeaky. Think about the bed, the brass bed that she was sleeping on. It was squeaky, right? And then all the different animals on there. Doesn't the animals making it squeaky? Because different animals make different squeaky noises, right? Alright, so we read, what's that sound? Okay, you guys had it on a recording. I want you guys to think about the point of view. You guys are going to watch a video today about the point of view. So the point of view is based on who is telling the story and what they think they heard. Okay? Your point of view may be different, but that's what you understood and that's what you heard. So think about Gilbert and Marta. They are the characters, right? Those are called the characters. Now, in the story, Gilbert kept hearing different sounds, and so did Marta, right? So they want to know who was making those sounds. So, Gilbert, the first person they came to was the dad, right? And Gilbert said, that's not the sound. So that was his point of view. So he said that it was something smooth, right? And that was his point of view. That's what he heard. So now they went to the next person. They went to Grant. And Gilbert, what was his point of view? Did he think it was a sound? No. So it's a different point of views. Alright, I'm going to put it each down as I blend. Ready? Loud. What's that word? Loud. Down. What's that word? Down. What's the OU say? Ow, right? So, ow, house. That E is silent. Mouse. Mouse. Do house and mouse rhyme? They do. Alright, let's this one. Ow. And we have the digraph TH, don't we? So we have a S, an ow, and then a, so south. Alright, so remember we're talking about OU and OW, and those say ow. So like an out and owl. Alright. Alright, so this word is shower. Do you see the shower head right here? Kind of like a bathtub. Some of you may say bath, but it's a shower. So shh, we have the digraph. SH, right? We know that for sure. And then we have an ow. So it's tricky. We have two different spellings, right? OW and OU, but it's actually OW. Now it's which is spelled ER. That's tricky. So that word is shower. Shower. We see the digraph in there, and then we have that ow sound. Alright, howl. So, owl. So, HOWL. 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 The dog is howling. Howl. Alright. Let's look at this one. Some of you might say this is a weight, and that's right, but look right here, it tells us it's a 1 pound. LB stands for pound. So pound. Pound. So it's spelled P. And this one's tricky. It's actually OU. So pound. Pound. Alright. That pig. It's pointing to his nose, but it's got nose, so you have to have the ow sound. So it's snout. So snout. And snout is spelled S-N-O-U-T. O-U-T. We have the O-U sound. Ouch. Just ouch. Alright. So let's read this one. Ready? Huh. Ow. What's that word? Cow. What's this one? Ound. Sound. What's this one? Ow. Cow. That other E is kind of silent. Now, I want to look at this word. We have E-R-E-S-T at the ending. They're ending. So short-er. That word is shorter. Oh, look, we have a squeak sound right here in all. So all-ist. Tallest. So p-er, and then we have oud. And then we have an E-S-T when it says ist. So proudest. Alright. Now, I'm going to reread the words. Here we go. Ready? Just now, the crowd got very loud. What words have ow in it? Right now, crowd, and loud. We found our lost cow in the next town. What words have ow in it? Right, cow and town. Do we have found? Ow. Ooh, look, we have ow in there too. Spelled with an O-U. Alright, let's practice these words. Are you ready? Cow. C-O-W, cow. Practice them with me. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Born. B-O-R-N. Born. How. H-O-W. How. Out. O-U-T. Out. Early. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. But that's kind of hard, right? Because the E-A is kind of silent at the beginning. So, E. So kind of leave the E-A off of there. It's kind of silent at the beginning. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. And roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Alright, let's practice our sight words. Remember, you could practice rainbow writing these today. Alright, this word is color. Okay, let's spell it. C-O-L-O-R. Color. What's that word? Color. Alright, the next one, instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. What's that word? Instead. Though. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though. And then we have early. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. Then we have nothing. Okay, you say it. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. Then we have the word O, which is O-H. Alright, we're going to put these words in the sentences. Alright, take a look one more time. Alright. Pick a blank of red. Pick a color, right? C-O-L-O-R. So pick a color instead of red. So instead would go here. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. So we've used color and instead. Alright. We did blank in the day. So we have early, nothing, though, and O. We did nothing early in the day, right? We did nothing early in the day. Blank, I blanked, that game was fun. O, so capital O. O, I, though, that game was fun. Thought that game was fun. Alright. Alright, if you have time today, you can read for Whistle for Willie. Okay? Alright, don't forget to make sure that you do the wonders first and then right across from it is Whistle for Willie. And make sure you watch the videos.